Debutify is a powerful Shopify theme that promises to improve the performance and look of your e-commerce store. But before you jump in and buy it, there are a few things you need to know. Whether you're new to Shopify or have been selling online for years, this video will give you the essential details about Debutify, and we're also going to compare it with some of its competitors, so you'll know if it's the right choice for you. First off, if you're considering Debutify, you can get the best offer by clicking the first link below, where you can try it completely free. Trust me, stick around because you're going to want to hear about a few game-changing features that could make or break your decision. Now, Debutify is known for its impressive user-friendliness. Unlike other themes that require coding skills or lots of tinkering, Debutify is designed for ease of use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced seller, it's incredibly straightforward to set up and customize. It's one of the main reasons why Debutify stands out. Many other Shopify themes might overwhelm you with options or complex customization, but Debutify is all about making things simple without sacrificing style or performance. Next thing, let's talk about performance. Debutify is optimized for speed, which is crucial for any e-commerce business. Google and your customers don't have time to wait for slow pages to load. It's one of the key reasons why Debutify outperforms many competitors, especially those free themes you might be considering. The theme's lightweight structure helps with faster load times, which leads to higher conversion rates, something you definitely want for your business. The third thing is the customization options. Unlike some Shopify themes that offer limited layouts and features, Debutify gives you access to a variety of built-in features, including pop-ups, sticky add to carts, and product sliders, all without needing to install additional apps. Many themes require you to pay for premium apps or use complicated third-party integrations to get these features, but Debutify includes them as standard, making it a cost-effective solution. The fourth thing to note is the mobile responsiveness. We all know that a majority of online shopping is done on mobile devices, and Debutify ensures that your store will look great on phones and tablets. It's easy to forget about mobile optimization, but Debutify makes sure your store is polished and professional on all devices. Many competitors might only offer mobile versions that are simply scaled-down versions of the desktop site, but Debutify's mobile-first design means your site works seamlessly on all screen sizes. Next thing, let's dive into the design options. While Debutify is clean and simple, it also offers modern, eye-catching designs that can help your store stand out. It's built to look good straight out of the box, but you also have a ton of customization options. If you're someone who wants to make your store look unique without hiring a designer, Debutify makes that possible with its intuitive drag-and-drop interface. The sixth thing is customer support. Debutify stands out in this area. The support team is responsive and always ready to assist you if you run into any issues. Whether you're dealing with a technical problem or just need help with customization, Debutify's support is there to help you solve it. Other Shopify themes might leave you feeling stuck when things go wrong, but Debutify's team is proactive and fast with their responses. Finally, the price. It's important to mention that while Debutify isn't free, the value you get is worth the investment. With all the features built into the theme, you won't need to pay for extra apps or hire a developer. The price is competitive compared to other premium themes, and considering how much it streamlines the setup process, it can actually save you money in the long run. So if you're looking for a Shopify theme that's easy to use, fast, feature-rich, and mobile optimized, Debutify might be exactly what you need. And don't forget, if you want to try it out, click the first link in the description to get the best free trial and access some exclusive benefits. Click that link, try Debutify for yourself, and see how it can take your Shopify store to the next level.